Good morning, children. How are you? You enjoy your holidays? Stay home, stay safe. Okay, we'll start tissue flowers.
For making this tissue flowers, we need tissues, scissor, glue, cotton, any binding wire and color paints, one thread and stapler, and one more color A4 sheet, green color A4 sheet. Let's go to this class. So what are the process? So first take one full size tissue paper and cut it like this in triangle shape, right? See, it looks like triangle shape, right? Now start folding from this end point. You should fold like that. So while you are making these flowers, you should be very careful because these are tissue papers, right? It may tear easily. Apply some glue at the end and press it. See, from this starting point, you should roll that. The tissue should be rolled. See, like this. Slowly you should make it. From the starting point to end point you should do. See, while you are rolling that, you press at the bottom for the stiffness. See how the tissue paper we are making roll. See, you should roll that. Okay, and keep aside. And now take one square shaped tissue paper and some cotton. Okay, and you place in the middle of the tissue and fold like triangle shape, and both edges make it tight. If thread is available, you can use thread or glue. So these are buds. Now we completed flower and now bud. Right. See, by using cotton and tissue, we use this. Now take green color and apply to that. For the finishing, we are using this green color. Let it keep aside for a dry. Right, kids? Next. So flower and bud is ready. Now again take one more full tissue paper, fold in the middle, four fold you should do, right? And cut in the middle part. Total 4 strips should come. See, total 4 strips. Place one by one upon that. Okay, fine. Cut in the middle. So we divided 4 strips into 8. Right. Now see, take one binding wire. You know how to fold fan, right? In the same process, see, one fold to my side and one fold to your side you should do. Exactly how we are making fans, in the same way we should do. Okay, see, it looks like a fan, right? So now take it center, and with the help of binding wire you tie it. It should be very tight while you are tying. Yeah, done. Now see, total 4 layers are there, right? First make it center, and now 4 layers no total, we should remove one layer to the center. Slowly kids, because it's a tissue paper, slowly you should remove one layer to the center. It should come like a bush. See, slowly one layer you should remove. See, first layer completed. Okay, first layer completed. Now coming to the second layer. While you are doing, adjust the flower. See, again second layer. While we are doing this, layer by layer you should do, then only the bush will come. The appearance will be good. Don't take two together, one by one you should take it to the center. From the both sides you should remove. Okay, so second layer is completed. Now we are going to the third layer. And fourth layer. So now finally you adjust that all layers to come to the center. Adjust everything. See, it's done. So for the look, again for the outlook, you can use any color which is available with you. Take one brush and use this color. See, while you are applying this color, don't apply to the whole flower, only the edges, just you touch and leave that, only to the edges, not full flower, only to the edges, you just touch it. Don't paint that flower kids, only just touch to the edges. Yes, done. See, you can decorate at your homes like this of using tissue papers. You can decorate not only to the bottles, you can use to the doors and walls also you can decorate. You can make photo frames. So many uses are there with this. So I hope you all enjoyed this class. Thank you so much for watching this video. Thank you. Bye.